Well, it's a blockbuster Sunday, politically speaking, with large crowds being drawn at two venues in two different parts of the country. On one hand, the NDA is kicking off its 2024 poll campaign with a mega Prajagalam rally, which translates to the voice of people, where the Prime Minister will be addressing the people in presence of Chandrababu, Naidu and Pawan Kalyan of the Sena. The first appearance of the three parties after sealing the seat-sharing formula. And on the other hand, after concluding the Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra, the I.N.D.I.A show of strength is also on full display in Mumbai in Maharashtra, with bigwigs of various political parties expected to accompany Rahul Gandhi at Mumbai's iconic Shivaji Park. The battle lines are clearly drawn, with each side projecting its best self to the voters ahead of the 2024 Mahayuddh. Let's quickly take you through first the list of who's expected at the I.N.D.I.A rally in Mumbai. It's a big test of alliances unity. We've accessed details of Congress parties planning. Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, remember, are already there, given that the Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra officially concluded yesterday. And this particular I.N.D.I.A rally, in a sense, marks the culmination of the same. The participation of other allies will also be seen in Maharashtra. The MVA members Sharad Pawar and Uddhav Thackeray will be there. JNK members Mehbooba Mufti of PDP and Farooq Abdullah of JKNC are expected. In fact, Farooq Abdullah spoke to the media as well. Jharkhand Chief Minister Champai Soren, his predecessor Hemant Soren's wife Kalpana, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, his deputy DK Shiv Kumar, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister MK Stalin, Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy will also be in attendance. From Uttar Pradesh and Bihar respectively, Akhilesh Yadav, Tejashwi Yadav will be there, and the Aam Aadmi Party will be represented by Saurabh Bhardwaj. There will also be the left's Dipankar Bhattacharya. Other senior Congress leaders likely to be there include Ashok Gehlot, Ajay Maken, Sachin Palat, Prakash Ambedkar, and several other leaders may also just be there. Also, just as important is who is not likely to attend. Trinamool Supremo Mamata Banerjee may be skipping the event. It's not clear if she'll be sending an emissary. And it is also unclear if Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan will be there after his fierce attacks on the Congress over asking Rahul Gandhi to break his silence on CAA. Let's also listen in to what the host of Congress and I.N.D.I.A leaders have been saying about the Nyay Yatra and the mega I.N.D.I.A rally, which is scheduled to begin any minute now.
अच्छी बात है, राहुल गांधी जी ने पहले साउथ से नॉर्थ किया था और कश्मीर में बर्फ पड़ रही थी जब वो आए थे। आज ये ईस्ट से वेस्ट आ रहे हैं, तो भारत का काफ़ी इनने और भारत को जोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। हमारे सेकुलर कैरेक्टर को, हमारी जो परंपरा है, उसको मजबूत करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। वतन को जोड़ना है, हिंदुस्तान को मजबूत करना है, उसके लिए ये यात्रा बहुत बड़ी चीज़ थी।
कांग्रेस नहीं होती तो देश को आज़ादी नहीं मिलती। कांग्रेस नहीं होती तो देश को नेतृत्व नहीं मिलता। पंडित नेहरू से लेकर मनमोहन सिंह तक। कांग्रेस नहीं होती तो पाकिस्तान के दो टुकड़े नहीं होते। कांग्रेस नहीं होती तो ज्ञान विज्ञान टेक्नोलॉजी तंत्रज्ञान में जो हमने प्रगति की है वो नहीं होती। कांग्रेस नहीं होती तो ये देश अखंड नहीं रहता। ऐसी बहुत सी बातें हैं जो बीजेपी वालों की समझ से ऊपर है। वो समझेंगे नहीं ये बात कभी, क्योंकि वो देश का विचार नहीं करते, वो व्यापारियों का उद्योगपतियों का विचार करते हैं।
Let's quickly take in a word from our experts joining us this evening. We have Asif Bhamla, political analyst, along with political analyst himself, Advocate Umair Junaidi, with us. Mr. Junaidi, to you first, before I take in a word from Mr. Bhamla on the action unfolding in Andhra Pradesh. Like in every election season, survival of the fittest is most certainly a reality. That's what happens at the end of any battle, any contest, any fight. Why do you think, and I'm assuming your answer is going to be I.N.D.I.A, why do you think it's I.N.D.I.A that's fitter than the NDA as we speak?
Good evening. First of all, I would like to say that the presumption, what I will be saying is the presumption of the entire nation is what I want to say, because why I.N.D.I.A bloc, that is India bloc, will be winning the elections and winning the heart. is very simple. The NDA government led by BJP has failed to provide the jobs, has failed to cut down the prices of the commodities, commodities used on the daily basis, as well as the prices of diesel, petrol, and everything they couldn't control. The price of LPG, what they said, one of the union minister, the then leader of opposition, the leader from the opposition party, used to go on strikes taking the gas cylinders, but when in power they couldn't do anything. So the nation has seen the 10 years of Modi Sarkar who have been looting the India, and recently we have seen the electoral bond scam, what BJP has done.
Okay.
So everything is a clear picture for the nation, and that's why people of India will be voting for India.
Okay, people of India will be voting for the opposition alliance is what you're saying. But Mr. Bamla, would you agree with what Mr. Junaidi is saying? Because, let's say Mamata Banerjee has decided to call it quits as far as the seat sharing agreement in West Bengal is concerned. And 42 seats is no less. So if those 42 seats are entirely taken away by the TMC or the BJP or are being eaten into the Congress's share, it most certainly is a setback. Where do you think this confidence is then coming from?
What is the alliance? Where is the alliance going, and what is my friend from the opposition talking about? आपको आम आदमी पार्टी ने क्या दिया है पंजाब में? जहां आपको जरूरत है आपकी, उन्होंने आपका इस्तेमाल किया। एक छोटी पार्टी होने के नाते एक बड़ी पार्टी का उन्होंने इस्तेमाल किया अपने फायदे के लिए। They have used all the other alliances that the Samajwadi has used Congress for its own purposes, and forget everything. Why should I go far? आज यहाँ मुंबई में इतनी बड़ी रैली होने जा रही है। आज दो नॉन नैसर्गिक, दो अननेचुरल पार्टीज का मिलन और प्रलय हो रहा है शिवाजी पार्क जैसे मैदान में। It is so surprising to see that the same Shivaji Park, which used to be sozzling with the fiery, speeches of the late Balasaheb Thackeray, who used to begin with "Jamlele Maje Tamam Hindu Bhagininu and महिलाओं जो जिससे वो शुरू करा करते थे, क्या वो आज इस सभा में शुरू कर पाएंगे? क्या आज इस सभा में आज इनके ही अलायंस पार्टनर्स के बीच में कितना फर्क है, मैं आपको यहाँ गिना देता हूँ।
But Mr. Bamla, to put this in perspective and to draw a direct comparison, what do you think is a greater setback? The Shiromani Akali Dal, not joining hands with the NDA. You also have the JJP coalition, which is broken off, the JJP-BJP coalition in Haryana. Or it is the Aam Aadmi Party deciding to go solo in Punjab, Mamata Banerjee deciding to go solo in West Bengal.
I want to not talk about people who are not with them. Okay, people are not, they've done Tata bye-bye and they've left. All those people who are there with them and who are sharing the common stage today in the few minutes from now in which you will be telecasting, what will be the samanvay? What will be the common minimum code of discussion between their own alliance partners? What will they talk about Savarkar, whom the Congress has been speaking tooth and nail?
Sir, the point is not to be discussed on Savarkar. It is a nation first. It is not Savarkar.
Okay, you're calling it an unnatural alliance. You're saying the voters are not going to be able to place their faith in this kind of an alliance. Mr. Bamla, Mr. Junaidi, I'm coming back to you in just a bit. I need to quickly take in a word from my colleague Shomit joining us live from where the NDA rally will take place in Andhra Pradesh. Shomit, take us through the scenes there. What's going on? How soon can we expect the Prime Minister to address the crowds there?
Prajagalam will make a Prajagalam. Well, just now Prime Minister has arrived and we can clearly see public cheering. A massive crowd here, basically thousands gathered here to have a glance at the Prime Minister, Chandrababu Naidu, as well as, Lokesh. So, three top leaders, Prime Minister Modi and Pawan Kalyan, and also at the same time, Babu will be addressing the crowd. So, we are being joined by Pattabhiram here. So, it's a massive crowd gathered here. What would you like to say? And Prime Minister is expected to speak shortly. What are the statements expected by three top leaders?
Oh, the atmosphere is completely euphoric. We haven't expected these kind of crowds here. Lakhs of people have gathered here. Just now the Honorable Prime Minister had landed. Mr. Modi, Mr. Naidu and Mr. Pawan Kalyan, all three of them are the winning combination. We have seen what happened in 2014 and today all three of them have come together to give an assurance to the people of Andhra Pradesh who are suffering under Jagan Reddy from the past 5 years.
So is TDP confident enough for winning this poll?
Oh,
is this kickstart?
Yes, this is the kickstart for the next elections. We are starting our political campaign today, and today we are going to lay the foundation, for the ouster of Jagan Reddy. Jagan Reddy will be no more in the political spectrum of Andhra Pradesh. The countdown for Jagan Reddy had begun today. It will be a completely one-sided election.
His manifesto will be released today?
No, not today. The manifesto will come out in the next 1 week. All three parties are working together. The manifesto will be in such a way that it will fulfill the aspirations of the 5 crore people of Andhra Pradesh. Jagan Reddy had cheated the people of Andhra Pradesh. Lot of promises that he had made in 2019, he never fulfilled. So our manifesto will fulfill all those aspirations of the people of Andhra Pradesh, and it will put the state back on track. Today,
how will you counter YSRCP even they are confident enough to coming back to power?
See, let Jagan Reddy win Pulivendula. His own family is fighting against him. His own sisters are fighting against him. So, Jagan Reddy even can't win Pulivendula. Why not? Pulivendula is the slogan of the people of Andhra Pradesh. So, it will be a miracle if Jagan Reddy wins his own constituency. So, it will be a completely one-sided election. TDP, Jana, Sena and BJP will sweep the elections on May 13th, and June 4th will be another Independence Day for the state of Andhra Pradesh.
Thank you. So basically TDP is very much confident, and even several crowd coming from the several other places across districts, we can say. మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చారు?
మేము మాత్రం అద్దెంకి నియోజకవర్గం
ఫ్రమ్ గంగపాడు. సో టీడీపీ గెలుస్తుందా?
గెలిసిద్దనే ఆలోచనలో ఉండం.
సో ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ గారు ఫస్ట్ టైం వస్తున్నారు, ఏమంటారు?
ఇదే స్టార్టింగ్ కదా, మనకి చూడాలా ఈ హుగ్గ.
So this is the starting and we have to see the prime minister is what they are saying. So నువ్వు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చావు తమ్ముడు? ఇక్కడ. సో బేసికలీ మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చారు?
ప్రతిపాడు నియోజకవర్గం.
పత్తిపాడు, హీస్ ఫ్రమ్ పత్తిపాడు కాన్స్టిట్యున్సీ. అక్కడ టీడీపీ గెలుస్తుంది అని అంటున్నారు. ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వచ్చాడు, ఏమంటారు?
ఈసారి కన్ఫర్మ్ 150 సీట్స్ కన్ఫర్మ్ కొడతాం సార్.
So even youth who came here from other places, they are saying that TDP will be winning. So prime minister first time వచ్చాడు. Prime Minister. So basically crowd gathered here cheering Prime Minister. So basically we can clearly see the massive crowd across from several places, and that is the podium where Prime Minister is expected to address shortly. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Many thanks for that, Shomit. I request Mr. Bhamla and Umair Junaidi to also stay on with us. We also want to talk about the I.N.D.I.A rally, which is to take place in Mumbai. We will get back to our reporters there as well. A quick commercial break. We'll be right back. Do stay tuned.